Bus, bus, bus. Today, we are getting rid of this guy, and we are removing the stop sign. Let's get this stop sign off. It doesn't want me to open it. We need to trace these wires. If you look back there, the wires are going through this little spot. I'm glad it's not big like some of the videos I've seen of these. I'm just gonna jump into here. This access panel to the wiring. All right, let's see. And before I touch any of these wires, I think we're going to disconnect the battery so I don't electrocute myself. Look at how beautiful it is under the hood. Everything about this bus under the hood, I'm just absolutely in love with. Everything looks so clean and nice.
Oh, you know what? Your battery box is on the side.
Yeah. We're just gonna disconnect the battery here so we don't shock ourselves. We're just kind of guessing that these go to that arm in the front. So we're just labeling up these wires.
Arm.
Clothesline bar. Always good to label. Good work, sir. We had a good day here on the bus. We just got the stop sign off there. We got the wiring all correct and everything like that. We got this arm off of here. The inside of the bus. Would you look at that? So I think we plan on spray foaming for insulation. I'm not 100% sure. If anybody has any advice about that, what they think that we should do, definitely let us know in the comments below. And we're getting really close to the roof raise, so stay tuned for that. Pretty excited.
Have a good night.